This meditation merges quantum manifestation principles, emotional alignment, and subconscious reprogramming to help you attract your deepest desires with ease. Set your space, light a candle, or place an object symbolizing your wish nearby. Clarify your desire. Write it down in present tense. I'm so happy now that I live in my dream home. Posture: sit upright to stay focused, or lie down for deeper relaxation. Close your eyes. Take a deep breath in and exhale fully. Imagine stepping into a sacred bubble where time and doubt cannot touch you. Here, your desires are already real. Feel the truth of this. Now, bring to mind your wish. See it as if it's already yours. Feel the emotions of having it: joy, gratitude. Let these feelings swell in your heart. Silently repeat, "It's already done. The universe is arranging it for me now." Picture a golden vortex of energy swirling before you. This is the quantum field where all possibilities exist. Step into it. Feel its warmth and vibration. Now, see your desire materializing inside this vortex. If it's love, see yourself laughing with your soulmate. If it's abundance, hold a check with your desired amount. If it's healing, watch light dissolve illness. Touch it. Hear it. Smell it. Make it vivid. Say, "I accept this now. I am a match for this reality." Repeat this. "I accept this now. I am a match for this reality." Ask silently, "What belief is keeping this for me?" Wait. Listen. You might hear or sense, "I'm not ready. I don't deserve it. It's too hard." Now, imagine pulling this belief from your body like a dark thread. Place it into the vortex and say, "I release you. I choose trust." Watch the vortex transmute it into gold dust. Replace it with a new belief. The universe loves me. This is easy for me. Feel this shift in your cells. See a door labeled My New Life. Open it and step through. Notice everything around you. This is your wish fulfilled. Who is with you? What are you doing? How do you feel? Stay here. Merge with this version of you. Let them whisper. Keep going. I'm waiting for you. Now return to the present. Carrying this energy. Place your hands over your heart and say, Thank you, universe, for this miracle. I receive it with joy. Repeat, Thank you, universe, for this miracle. I receive it with joy. Gently wiggle your fingers. Take a deep breath. Open your eyes. You don't attract what you want, you attract what you believe. This meditation rewires belief. Your wish is not coming, it's here.